his latest phone, the X71, which bears a striking resemblance to the recently launched Samsung Galaxy S10. The X71 follows in the footsteps of Honor View 20 and Galaxy S10 with its use of a perforated screen. The small hole near the top of the 6.4-inch screen allows the front camera to protrude. Some people find that this design distracts less visually than a notch, but it does come with some of the same advantages and disadvantages. At least, it helps that the frames are impressively small. Unlike the Galaxy S10, the Nokia X71 uses an LCD screen instead of an OLED. That means there is no fingerprint sensor on the screen. Both optical and ultrasonic sensors require an OLED. However, Nokia has its usual fingerprint sensor on the back under the camera module. The X71 has a 48MP main camera sensor, along with the 8MP wide-angle and 5MP depth sensor. The X71 is among devices like the previous Honor View 20 and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. Like all other recent Nokia phones, the X71 is an Android One device. That means it has a clean and uncompromising compilation of Android 9 foot. Android One devices also have 2 years of full update support, which is more than you can expect from most other mid-range phones.